Hey! Last major cover. You know, looking around on the internet and prices and things like that, a machine tool dealer would have to charge around $3,000 to clean a lathe up like this. So that means you can spend $8,000 worth of your time to save $3,000. Yeah. Get that on there. The rear cover on this early Axelson is cast iron, and it's really heavy. They made them out of aluminum a little later. And it's got these little slots here for the ball oilers on the back of the gear train. I haven't counted the ball oilers yet, but I'm looking at 2, 4, 5 right there. Now all the gears that idle on the Axelson, as far as I can tell, you know, a lot of lathes will use bronze bushings and things. This is all needle bearing. Yep. Chloe's down here. What are you doing? Nah, big yawn. There we go. It's supposed to stay kind of mild today in the 80s, so I should be able to get quite a bit done on this. I got all those little parts cleaned up and coming right along. Just looking good. Just about got this. Now bring it around. I don't have to be stuck over there. Can I grab this thing without getting paint all over it? How we doing? Yeah. Hey. I'll put 2 coats on this. Now I gotta get the part underneath you can't see. Just really goop that on. Down there. Smeared on good. I didn't get the back side, so let's come around. I'll show you how I just think that these sponge brushes work so well. Get back over here. Yeah, see, I didn't get the back in there yet. Let me rotate this thing a little bit. There. So you can get back in there pretty good. If you can get your fingers back in there, you can pan it pretty good. See? Just like that, it's pretty easy. I'm going to pull the cover off when I put the finish paint on it though. All right. I think that's pretty darn quick. Okay. Oh, new glove time, that's for sure. Let's see what we got. And I'm here. Get a new glove on. And I should find one of them little skinny brushes. Yeah, little skinny one here. We'll come back around. I can take this loose. Oh, come on around here. And I want to find, there's a few spots that I need to take care of. Get those corners kind of, you know. Yeah. We got a major damage area right here. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Bondo right there. Just kind of hide that. Yeah, I'll hide that a little bit. It's not like I'm gonna sell it to somebody. I'm gonna hide it from myself. Okay. Yeah, this is, I guess what you would call a Rust-Oleum rebuild. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's kind of get that. I gotta get this in here too. That's some dirt in there. Had the camera turned the wrong way. Okay. Got to paint this here. Just kind of get that stuff right in there. I come back with my little scraper and knock the paint off. That is not an issue. Get this yeah, I got it. Head around there. A little coolant drain trough here. This here's a cross side lock, that little nut there. You can lock the cross slide and the compound rest or the top slide. Has a lock also. They say you use that when you're really heavy duty cutting. Okay. That's been used a bit, so I'm gonna take and clean that lock nut up. Make it look good again. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now I got a corner back in here. I just wanna that'll work. Looking good. Looking pretty good. These little spots. Huh. Now these wipers here, I'll pull one off sometime later and show you just what's inside these. But each one has a ball oiler. And there's 5 back there. I don't know. There is an awful lot of ball oilers on this thing. See if I get kind of get some of this, some of these spots. Yeah, I'll come back and get that a little better here. Yeah, I'm just kind of going around and getting the little spots that I missed. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's easier to paint a lathe that you're taking apart, but then you got to put the thing together. So it's a no-win. Okay, let's get back over here. That's good enough. Oh, I gotta get, yeah, I'm gonna get that around. See, I got little spots here. Yeah. Get that yeah, that looks good. See, I got some down in here. See, that's tricky. A tricky spot. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, right in here. Hope you can see that okay. I think this area is really pretty good. Oh. Huh. I gotta pour some more primer. So I'll be back in a little bit, okay? Maybe I'll shoot a couple videos today. I'm gonna really work on it. I'll load this up and I'll see you after a while, okay? Bye.